If you're in a valley with a troubled mind, I'm a mountain, come on and climb. Because you look so good to be so down. It won't take much, girl, to turn it all around. Come with me, come with me. The feeling's free, so come with me. Get on a cloud, girl, and ride it high. Say hello, sun, as we sail by. Summer wind across the prairie blows the sand into my teeth. Tombstones are good for days behind me. 12 more miles to Turkey Creek. I passed a run-down temple made of stone. There ain't no clouds in the sky, I'm all alone. I'm a stranger here, and there's danger near, 'cause Geronimo is right behind me. He can ride longer without water than I can. This Arizona sun is sure to blind me. Here's where we see if I'm a man, yeah. No more than just a broken heart ago, I made a promise to myself I'd never trust someone again. And judging from my rough and rocky past, I wrote love off as just a game a fool would play and never win. I felt certain I was right, till I turned a corner in the night. And there was you, like an angel, you just suddenly appeared, sent to me with a love so true that it could make up for the lies and wasted years. And now I see there were other loves I knew, and there was you. Something in the air this morning woke the gypsy spirit deep inside. I heard something in the silence telling me it's time to fly. Never said a thing about forever, never said I'll be coming back again. A man could drown in those deep blue eyes, but me, I've never learned to swim. So I'm gonna slip on out, cruise on down the road. I was only passing by. I gotta go, I gotta move, I've got nothing left to prove. So highway open wide, it's time for me to ride. Brought a little red dirt back with me on my shoes. I brought a little red dirt back with me on my shoes. I went back to Oklahoma and did that thing we do. I brought a little red dirt back with me on my shoes. Whether I am walking or kneeling down, these shoes gonna take me to solid ground. I've been down in the valley and over the hill. Try to wash unclean, but I never will. Brought a little red dirt back with me on my shoes.